John F. Kennedy International Airport, JFK, situated in the Jamaica neighborhood of Queens about 16 miles southeast of Midtown Manhattan, is a 5,200-acre facility and North America's busiest international passenger gateway, having processed over 63.3 million travelers in 2024. The airport was built over marshy tidelands and the Idlewild Beach Golf Course to relieve LaGuardia, officially opening on July 1, 1948, as New York International Airport before being renamed on December 24, 1963, following the president's assassination. The famous Terminal City master plan of the 1950s did allow airlines to construct their own unique buildings, resulting in architectural landmarks like the 1960 Pan Am Worldport, demolished in 2013, and the 1962 TWA Flight Center, which has been preserved as the TWA Hotel. Today, operating as a primary hub for Delta, American Airlines, and JetBlue, the airport utilizes 4 runways and 5 active passenger terminals, Terminals 1, 4, 5, 7, and 8, while undergoing a $19 billion modernization project that includes the development of a new Terminal 1 and Terminal 6, the expansion of Terminal 8, and widespread roadway and transit infrastructure upgrades.
Francisco Condor, Vijay Condor, and Gabriel Ramirez, and Mr. Rick Williams. If you head in, please proceed to gate number 8 on my return back notification. Thank you.